Hello guys, good day. It's me again, your friend, self-service. Thank you for dropping by to see my video. And as what you know, I'm here again to give you some DIY steps on how to install a hood strut. So basically, these are the hood struts. This will help you with your opening and closing of your hood, so you don't need to use the stand that most of your Hyundai Accemt is currently using, the stock stand that you need to make it stand. So with this, it's a hydraulic strut which I purchased from Shopee. I will give the links on the description on where did I buy it. This pair cost about 700 pesos, or maybe close to 20 Singapore dollar. So hopefully I can show you the steps, and you can also do it into your Hyundai Accemt models. And then this one is it's a good DIY upgrade that you can do it yourself. So I'll show you on how to do it. Okay, first thing you need to do is pop out your hood. Okay, once you pop out the hood, this one is your normal standard hood stand which we typically use, and this one will be the hood struts. And then what we need to do is put one of the strut bar like this and put in the screw. Okay, once the screw is in place, we'll need to do the hood, which is like that. So, don't know if you can see it clearly, but I will need to screw it like this. So once it's all tightened, actually I already completed the other side, as you can see there. So now both are working fine. Close, then open. It's still a little stiff when opening. You need to exert some force when opening it, but it will automatically be there. But yeah, it's a success. Just to be sure that you are tightening the bolts, because this one connects to the hood. Whoops. Try it again. It's just reaches its maximum shortness, but yeah, it's all okay. So this one is the bottom part, which connects to the bolt near the headlight, and the hood screw, you need to use it on the bottom screw, because the top screw, when I tried it, it doesn't close fully, but when using the bottom part, yeah, it's able to close okay. And then you need to be sure that the correct, I don't know if you can see, there's a correct indicator, which is the left, so the other one is the right. So same as the other side, this should be the orientation of the bottom, and then the top one should be like this. But yeah, if there's a better way for you to install it, then yeah, you can just follow what your instinct. So this is my installation on my Hyundai Accemt 2016 model CRDI, and yep, it's pretty nice. There's a little squeak, but I think from time to time it might it should be able to wear out. So yeah, it's very nice. Automatic, so it's kind of like automatic when opening your hood. You can still put it here, your OEM stand. It's not hindering anything, so it should still be okay. You can use that OEM just how to say, like a backup stand, if in case your hydraulic struts would wear out. Okay, so that wraps up my DIY installation. Hope you like it, and hopefully you can do it also on your own. So please do subscribe, hit that like button, and you can, how to say, get notifications, and also the bell icon for notifications if I have new upcoming DIY upgrades on my Hyundai Accent. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.